We're going for crates.
All right.
Cemetery's all the way up against the far wall.
Yeah. So we just gotta push it.
Room.
Just gotta push them that way. We're gonna get the crates.
Yep. I want him out in front of us.
Yep. All right.
Let him
Yep. Go. Where's the crates?
I got it right here.
You got one?
I got both of them. Let's go.
I'll cover you, I'll cover you. I got you, I got you. I got you, I got you. I got that angle, I got that angle.
Does anyone have a grenade?
Nope. This guy,
Yeah.
I don't know, he didn't call it.
Hey. Right in that room.
Merry Christmas! Is that one?
You're not thinking through it far enough.
Got him, got him, got him. Ready? I don't know if there's a guy here. Ready?
Right.
Okay. Hey, 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 hey!
Hey!
Let's go again. I got this way, I got this way.
That's not a fucking grenade.
This is clear, right? Go right, I cover you. Go under. Yep, go.
Right, left, clear.
Yep. Clear, clear. He's right there, he's right there. No, it didn't go in. Okay, here, cover there, cover there, cover there. Here. Push him in, push him in. Push it in. There, we got it covered. He got hit, he got hit, he got hit.
Evan, watch the other door.
Watch the grenade, watch the grenade. Nice. Hit. Frick.
Watch the grenade, that
Yeah.
shit came flying.
I was like, they're about to throw a grenade.
Oh, good trade, good trade.
Grenade, grenade. Just toss it in there. Ready? Cover. Oh, shit, my bad, my bad.
Go, go.
Guy to your right corner. That was literally blue.
Yeah.
No, you're not. There's a guy to the right, there's a guy to the right.
Nope, there's a guy here, there's a guy here.
Okay, just keep cover on him. Keep cover on him.
Thank you, thank you. Blue coming in, blue coming in. Get ready. Hit. Let's go, guys. Nice job.
Push up.
Excellent job, King. Excellent job.
Shot, man.